Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a rich and flavorful butter garlic chicken. It's juicy, buttery, and coated in a creamy garlic sauce. This dish pairs perfectly with rice, pasta, naan, or toasted bread. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take 1 cup chicken pieces. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon corn flour. Mix everything well until the chicken is evenly coated. Garlic and butter are one of the most loved flavor combination. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Now heat oil over medium heat and fry the chicken until it turns light golden brown. Corn flours help the chicken stay juicy while creating a light coating. Fry the chicken only light golden to keep it tender. Remove and keep it aside. In another pan, melt 1 tablespoon butter. Add 3 to 4 finely chopped garlic cloves and saute until fragrant. Now add 1 tablespoon flour. Roast it for 30 seconds while stirring continuously. Pour in 1 cup water and mix well until you get a smooth sauce. Add the fried chicken to the pan. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes so the chicken absorbs all the buttery garlic flavor. Next add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix everything well. A touch of lemon juice balances the richness of the butter beautifully. Finish with freshly chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon chopped green chilies. Cook for another 30 seconds, then remove from the heat. Our butter garlic chicken is ready. It's creamy, juicy, and bursting with rich garlic flavor in every bite. Thank you for watching Enoven Food. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Enoven Foods.